CET Ayurveda presents Bishak, the Ayurvedic Clinical App. Let's deal with the procedures section. Beginning with simple procedures like Jambira Pinda Sveda and advanced procedures, we all tend to have certain doubts about the measurements and the materials required for doing such procedures in inpatient ward. Such doubts can be cleared in this section. This section deals with Purva Karma, Pradhana Karma and Paschat Karma, including special procedures like vaginal Uttaravasti, urethral Uttaravasti, etc. This also includes separate section on intrauterine Uttaravasti. 50 different types of Vasti procedures, 60 types of Svedana, specialized Netra Kriya procedures starting from Paschotana. Let's get into the Snehana folder. This includes sections namely Achapana, Sadhya Sneha, Avapidaka Sneha, complications and management, Snehapana in various disorders. Let's enter the subsection Achapana. This includes the following subheadings: description, materials required, Purva Karma, Pradhana Karma and Paschat Karma. Similar such sections are given under various headings like Svedana and other procedures. This also fulfills information about the tools required for such procedures and measurements required. Snehapana in various disorders. This section deals with disease-specific Snehapana to be executed in clinical practice. Similar such detailing is also followed across all other types of procedures. For example, which type of Avagaha to be used in Ashmari, what type of Kayaseka is to be done in various neurological disorders are dealt in detail is also explained. When we deal with the section complications and management, the most probable clinical complications we come across while doing such procedures are explained along with their management. For example, Snehapana, Adhmana, Daha, fatigue, these symptoms are also seen. How to manage these conditions? How about managing blood vomit while doing Vamana procedure? These are also explained with regards to management. Similarly, Nasya is also explained based on disease-specific conditions. For example, what type of Nasya is to be given in Akala Vali Palita is separately dealt with. Similarly, detailing is also done in the other section called Other Procedures, which deals about Shirodhara, Kativasti, etc.